Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you sign up on ChatGPT without the use of a phone number if you don't have a phone number available. So in this tutorial, let's get right into it. So over here, if you don't have any available phone number or you don't want to use your personal phone number, then that is not a problem guys. You can search in Google free SMS receivers, and in here you can actually get free phone numbers that are available. So there are a couple of sites here, but I do recommend paid ones for premium users. So if you are using paid ones, it will have premium features as well. So I suggest to go over to this site. For the free one also, you can try it for free. So there might be a couple of ads, but it should work. So just allow the desktop site, and you just have to sign up here. So if that does not work, you can try SMS receive free. So you can view all the numbers, and in here you can just choose a number here and tap on that. And over here, as you can see, it is now working, and you just have to copy and paste this number to ChatGPT. And also for the paid ones, you just have to search for a couple of websites here that are available, like what I said. So you can try this one. It has premium plans as well. And there guys, you just have to explore it on whatever service that you want. And there guys, so that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.